What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, super quick, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the business growing videos that we put out every weekday. All right, so I'm gonna show you the exact steps that we took to start monetizing, and then at the end, I'm gonna give you 2 bonus ways you can make additional cash from YouTube. So the first step we took towards monetization was we started posting videos a lot. Now, there are requirements you have to meet in order to monetize your YouTube videos, and we'll cover those in a minute, but rest assured you're not going to meet them if you don't post videos often. The second thing we did was perform YouTube keyword research. Instead of posting videos blindly, we let keyword research guide us in which topics to create videos around. So what do I mean by YouTube keyword research? Well, the words that people type into the YouTube search bar are called keywords. Even if it's a whole phrase they're searching, like social media marketing, that's still one keyword. So we picked YouTube topics based on the keywords our target audience was searching, which then begs the question, how do you know what keywords your target audience is searching? Essentially, there is a tool that shows you exactly how many times a keyword is searched a month on YouTube, otherwise known as search volume. So that's really important, and I don't want you guys to miss this, that we did not make YouTube videos around what we thought our audience would like. We made YouTube videos strictly based on research and data. If our audience wasn't searching for videos around a certain topic, we did not make videos on that topic. So creating videos regularly and also making sure that we were creating videos we knew our audience cared about is really what helped us drive those initial video views and subscribers. And views and subs are part of the requirements mentioned in the list of things you have to have in order to monetize your videos. So let's go over that list really quickly. In order to make money from posting YouTube videos, you have to become a YouTube partner. These are the requirements to become a YouTube partner. You have to follow all of the YouTube channel monetization policies, live in a country or region where the YouTube partner program is available, have no active community guideline strikes on your channel, have more than 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months, have more than 1,000 subscribers, and have a linked AdSense account. So most of the things on that list are easily doable right out of the gates, but the 2 things you sort of have to work towards are getting more than 4,000 public watch hours and more than 1,000 subscribers. So those are the things we strive to tackle immediately by amping up our posting frequency and being strategic with the topics we posted about. The third thing we did was utilize community polls. In order to keep our subscribers engaged and therefore subscribed, we started posting community polls because polls take minimal effort from people to participate in, and people love to answer them. We made our polls so that they were related to the topics of the videos we were publishing that week, as well as to increase our views. The fourth thing we did was optimize our channel by including keywords in our About section and channel tags. It's important to at least understand the SEO behind doing this. Similarly to us creating YouTube videos around certain keywords, you want your channel to be optimized for certain keywords as well. This helps your channel get found when people are searching for those terms on the platform. Now, the fifth thing we did was share our channel absolutely everywhere. We already had an existing follower base on other platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, so we shared snippets of our YouTube videos to those platforms with the CTA to watch the full video on YouTube. So if you already have an audience on another platform, take advantage of that and send them to your YouTube channel. Now, all the steps we took that I've listed out so far were goal-oriented around driving as many subscribers and views as we could to meet that initial requirement we needed in order to monetize our videos. For these last few steps, I'm going to tell you what we did after we started monetizing to start scaling our efforts and therefore revenue. The sixth thing we did was make playlists. Once we had a handful of videos out, we started making playlists categorized by platform. We did this to encourage binge watching. If someone searched for an Instagram marketing topic and that's how they found our video, it's likely that they'd be interested in our other Instagram marketing videos too, right? Our playlists make it easy for people to find what they need and keep them on our channel, thus increasing views and subscribers. The seventh thing we did was test everything. When YouTube Shorts came out, we started publishing shorts almost immediately. We've tested different thumbnail styles and still are. We stay on top of our YouTube analytics to see which search terms are bringing us the most traffic and allow that to guide us in which videos to make next. We've tested different description formats. If you start plateauing in your growth, you have to test out different elements to see what's going to be the thing that jumpstarts your growth again. That's true of most anything in marketing and still holds true with making money on YouTube as well. Now, before we wrap up, I do want to leave you with 2 bonus ways to make money on YouTube outside of just monetizing your videos with ads. All right, bonus tip number 1 is you can work with other brands to sponsor your video if it makes sense to, given the nature of your business. This is something a lot of influencers do. Now, I know a lot of you watching are small business owners, so it may be hard to envision how another brand sponsoring your content would make sense. But just to throw this out there, it could be that it's an influencer sponsoring your video, kind of like the inverse of influencer marketing. Let's say, for example, that you sell yarn and knitting supplies, and there's a YouTuber out there who does yarn tutorials. They're not your rival in the sense that they're not also selling the supplies you sell, but your 2 channels probably share a similar target market. So if the YouTuber is wanting to grow their subscribers, maybe they reach out to you and say, hey, I'll pay you X amount to mention my channel in your next video. You're not going to lose business by doing that because, again, they're not a competitor, and you get a little extra cash for doing it. Just something to consider.
If you enjoy our videos, kindly support our channel on Patreon. Click the link in the description to be a patron. Many thanks.
And lastly, bonus tip number 2 is to take advantage of all the YouTube partnership tools that you can. Outside of advertising revenue, here are the other 4 ways you can make money by being in the YouTube partnership program. With channel memberships, your members make recurring monthly payments in exchange for special perks that you offer. And with super chat and super stickers, your fans pay to get their messages highlighted in chat streams. So those 2 methods allow you to capitalize on the loyalty of your subscriber base and take those who are the most invested in your business to the next level of your marketing funnel. With Merch Shelf, your fans can browse and buy official branded merchandise that's showcased on your watch pages. So if you're an e-commerce store, I would definitely look into this. And with YouTube Premium Revenue, you get part of the YouTube Premium subscribers' subscription fee when they watch your content. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if it was, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell before you go. And I will see you in the next episode.